Hi, I'm Noelle Razor, and I teach communication and several other topics in the Heartland CPM program, and I'll be coordinating our online cohort for 2021. We know there are a number of reasons why attending an in-person class may not be possible or comfortable for you right now. So the KU Public Management Center has worked to meet you where you are by offering an online cohort of our CPM program. We know from our past participants that one of the greatest benefits they take from CPM is the opportunity to connect with others in the class. As a result of this, we've worked hard to make sure our online cohort can bring this same networking and experience of relationship building in the virtual format that folks expect from us in our in-person classes. You'll have the same quality instructors and who provide engaging content and really make the classes worthwhile. I look forward to connecting with you in the online CPM cohort.